devastating, and Vaidya pointed out it'll be more clear to the students tomorrow as to what exactly will happen. Saurabh Shukla also joins us with some parents and student. What reaction are you seeing there, Saurabh?
I have joined by a teacher also, sir. ये स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ये जैसे कि कह रहे हैं कि पहले करा लेना चाहिए था लेकिन अभी ठीक है, तो टीचर के तौर पर स्टूडेंट्स क्या कह रहे हैं आपसे?
See, in this uncertain atmosphere, it is very correct to cancel the exam right now because already exam anxiety would have been there, but the more anxiety would have come with the pandemic. How they would go exam and that fear that they may get infected. So at moment it is the best decision, and there is a second provision here, the improvement exam. If I am not satisfied with my marks once the CBSE allots me on certain basis of previous exams and pre-board, then I always have an option of giving improvement exam, and by 2 months or I think situation will improve drastically. And moreover, they also need to decide about this IIT, JEE, NEET exams, because and there are also gap year students who are more worried.
But because students are also demanding that they should postpone NEET and CLAT and other exams as well.
Yes, see, once the correct thing would be wait for a 1 month or two. Once situation improves, then they give the date and it can be conducted. So in my opinion, till August end, the exam should be at hold. And once the situation improves, and see, we can always conduct them, and the sessions can be modified as per our requirements. And the gap year students are at more stress because they have already sacrificed their 1 year. So what will be done to them? And the Northeast students who are lying without giving any exam. So there are many more questions to be answered, and clarity.
Tomorrow CBSE will give the notification, so there will be more clarity. But as if now they have suggested that they can cancel exam and they will assess the students on the basis of last 3 exams.
That is the thing, and they should also take into account pre-boards and this, and average the students and give marks. And those who are not satisfied, this improvement exam should be the first one to be conducted in conducive atmosphere, and then they could easily decide on the further course.
Anjali, we have joined by
मिलेंगे भी, हाथ भी मिलाएंगे सर. बच्चे नहीं मानते सर, बच्चों को आप नहीं समझा सकते.
Sir, what about results also? So now CBSE is saying that they may declare results in August mid, but apart from that, what are students want to take admission in graduation, and they're also eagerly waiting for that. So what is your opinion on that?
So there are two aspects. One is the 10th moving to 11th, because many schools are still not giving streams properly, and you know, once the result comes, those can be challenged and student can get a stream he wants. So in reality, the academic session has not started for them. Secondly, the admission process of other universities and all, it's all in a limbo because CBSE is one of the biggest boards, and once it starts, then all the other things come. So once this result is declared, even after that, students will challenge the marks, because many are not going to be satisfied because pre-boards are not prepared that well as students prepare for boards. So in that criteria,
CBSE is saying that they will mark them according to their board examinations, the last 3 exams they have given.
see, still that clarity has to come whether they will take the average of pre-boards plus this or
they
something.
will give a clear notification tomorrow.
So in any case, there will be a lot of challenges happening, and many will go to court then, or CBSE will have to conduct improvement exam, because it's a career question. And you know, in DU 0.5% matters. So suppose a student is getting 98, by getting an exam he's getting 94. So that 4 marks is equivalent to 1% when you divide it. So that is going to be a big challenge when it's admission to DU or other places. And IIT, JEE Main are such stressed exams that now students have already got anxious and have just lost the momentum of preparation. And मैंने कहा जो
Because there was no clarity.
And those who have dropped, they are in such a big fear कि what will happen to them now, because they have already took risk of 1 year. So now if something happens which is very uncertain, then what will happen to those students who have already missed out their admission, and this time if they don't crack the exam with this anxiety level coming up, CBSE should start some helpline, give more pacification to students. Instead of making it more tense, they should make it relaxed and let things settle down. See, there is no harm. We always had 10th in 1 semester, and we used to give result 2 years back. So why not this year also they can conduct such things? And even the present year students are stressed because they are not even...
I think that there should be more clarity from CBSE, and CBSE should run a helpline.
Helpline for students, help parents, because one who is facing the anxiety knows what it is. Sitting there and just deciding on a mass scale is not easy. So there are a lot of students, see, they decided on Dubai way back कि हम नहीं करेंगे. Those were also CBSE students, they cancelled. Had they done this that time, That could have saved a lot of anxiety to students, and later on by now results could have been declared. And in a month or two they could have done that. But right now, chalo, they have come with the decision of the court because it is court who pulled them up. Then only they agreed to this.
Absolutely, Anjali. Parents are satisfied that they don't have to worry about the security of their students. But teachers and students are saying that there needs some more clarity because they have to appear for NEET and IIT JEE entrance examination tomorrow. So till then they will wait, and they are at least satisfied that they don't have to appear for their board exams.
We should get some more clarity tomorrow as CBSE will be filing a fresh notification and affidavit in the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, the parents are feeling more relieved and students are feeling